Well, good evening to the Strongest Tribe. This is Mr. Bridgman, your school principal. I have several announcements for our parents this evening. First, I want to remind you all that tomorrow is a half day for students. So our students will be dismissed at 10:30. Make sure you're here on time. Buses will run and we'll pick up at 10:30 to drop off after school. Then we have Parent-Teacher Conferences. Parent-Teacher Conferences start at 12 o'clock and will run till 6 tomorrow afternoon. So 12 to 6, it's come and go at your own will. You can visit the classrooms. You do not have to make a schedule. And our teachers will be here to talk about your students' grades, behavior, and progress so far. Also tomorrow, we will be hosting our open house from 12 to 6. So for our upcoming ninth graders, we invite you out and your parents to come out, ask questions about Northside, take a tour. We'll have students to walk you around, and we'll give you information about registration for ninth grade. Then on Friday, there's no school for our students. Students are out on Friday. It is a professional development day for our teachers. So hopefully the students will enjoy their long weekend, because we all know that we are all out on Monday. It's President's Day, and so it's a holiday for the students, teachers, and staff. So we look forward to you guys enjoying your 4-day long weekend. I want our senior parents to know that next week we will have a FAFSA Workshop on next Wednesday, the 23rd. We want all seniors to complete their FAFSA application. This application is mandatory in order to qualify for Tennessee Promise, and it is also mandatory for all of our students who are looking forward to going to college and going maybe into trade or technical school. We want to have 100% of our students who have qualified and who have completed it, and so we'll have people here to assist any parents who still need to complete their FAFSA. The only thing you will need is your most recent tax information from last year. If you bring that along with you, we can walk you through the process and complete this process for your student. Parents, I do want to talk to you about a little bit of concern we have. We have recently had several students who have been in possession of vapes or electronic cigarettes. We want you to know that those are illegal for all students on school campus. The minimum suspension for a student who is caught in possession of a vape is 45 days. If the student is smoking the vape on campus, it is 90 days. Please talk to your students. Make sure they understand the consequences, not only the consequences for missing school, but the health risk that it is posing for them. So we are concerned. We have seen an uptick in that in the last few weeks. Please make sure you are talking to your students, you're checking your students, and make sure that they know that it is not worth the time out of school or the risk to their health to be messing with the vapes. Please also just support us on dress code. We want students here every day in dress code. They need to have on the appropriate pants, need to have on the appropriate footwear, need to have a collared shirt. And if they have a hoodie, it should be Northside. No other hoodies are allowed. We tell students that every day, but we still have to send kids to ISS and get parents up here to bring them a change of clothes. So we want you to support us, and we will continue to work with you. Well, we got a lot going on. We know this is a busy week. Hope to see you guys out here tomorrow for Parent-Teacher Conferences. If not, maybe we'll see you out at the district tournament that starts tomorrow night at Southside. But either way, we hope that you will support the tribe, and we hope to see you out here at the tribe in the near future. Have a great evening, Northside.